Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So the complete Galaxy S21 Ultra specs leaks reveals every last detail. The last couple of weeks have been insane, and it's all started with the leaked teaser of the Galaxy S21 series and eventually several details courtesy of Samsung Experience Store in India. That was followed by leaked hands-on photos and videos of the device, and more recently a bunch of press renders. Now Roland Cordrant has returned with everything we need to know about the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the chipset, storage and more. Samsung Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus are no doubt impressive, but Galaxy S21 Ultra is an absolute killer. In Europe, the phone uses the unannounced Exynos 2100 and boasts an incredible 12 gigs of RAM as standard. The official unveiling of the Exynos 2100 has been arrived, and it is going to be on 12th of January. According to the information shared down, the rest of the world is coming with the Exynos 2100 including the Europe, whereas the Snapdragon 888 processor is going to be coming with the US, China, Canada and South Korea. All of this sits to next 128 gigs of base storage across Europe, and although both the 256 gigs and 512 gigs of models are in the works, but unfortunately Samsung has removed the support for micro SD card. As I was expecting that the base model with the support of micro SD card will be enough for most of the users, but considering this new leak, we have to choose the storage option quite wisely. Anyhow, before moving to other areas, it's worth mentioning that 5000 mAh for battery capacity that support wireless charging and 45 watt of fast wide charging is also available in the S21 Ultra. However, as per recent report, a power brick isn't included inside the box, which is kind of disappointment for many of Samsung loyal fans. So Samsung, you have let down the user again. Anyhow, moving on towards the main highlights of the device, and that is going to be the 2021 flagship has a stunning display. This South Korean brand has often excelled in the display department, and 2021 is not different. The S21 Ultra sported a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display with QHD plus resolution, 120Hz of LTPO display, and a 515 pixel per inch of display with a massive 1600 nits of brightness. And according to my information, this is going to be the highest nits of brightness of any smartphone currently available. The 120Hz of refresh rate has made the display super smooth and content without drastically reducing the battery life, because as you know, the LTPO technology uses less battery consumption instead of LTPS. Also, the Galaxy S21 Ultra screen has both the dynamic AMOLED display and Infinity OH display. It's protected by 7th generation of Gorilla Glass Victus protection and support S Pen 2. Of course, you can't have a nice display without a good software, so Galaxy S21 Ultra should ship with Android 11 with One UI 3.1 as pre-installed. Moving on towards the camera department, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra camera setup is killer. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is truly excels in the camera department and upgraded 108 megapixel of a main camera sensor that offers optical image stabilization, and f1.8 aperture leads the way. It's accompanied by usually 12 megapixel of ultra wide angle snapper, and this one supports 120 degree of field of view. It has a aperture of f2.2. It doesn't have an optical image stabilization, but that is usually the case on all smartphones anyway. There is an LED flashlight and a laser autofocus too, as well as versatile zoom system. The latter consists of 10 megapixel telephoto camera capable of 3 times of optical zoom and 10 megapixel which is capable of 10 times of optical zoom. Both have optical image stabilization, and the data from both sensors is set to enable 100 times of space zoom, and Samsung originally introduced this feature in the Galaxy S20 Ultra but axed it from Note 20 Ultra due to its poor reception. And if you like the recording videos, this may well be the phone for you. The Galaxy S21 Ultra can record 8K videos at 30 frames per second and 4K videos at 60 FPS. And if you prefer regular 1080p video, that can be also recorded up to 240 frames per second. The selfie camera boasts a 40 megapixel of resolution as well. Anyhow, this is the leaks, and take these leaks as a pinch of salt because nothing has yet been confirmed by Samsung itself. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this Galaxy S21 Ultra leak specifications in the comment section below. Do consider subscribing my channel for daily tech videos. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.